Rachael here, and I am standing with Linda Antonini with Blackwell Real Estate of Annapolis, and we are thrilled to be in this project that we finished, which was a massive undertaking. And so Linda, I'm actually going to let you explain, what were our choices here? You came to us with a seller who was faced with a couple choices. What were they?
Well, he had the choice of either selling it as is or renovating it. And since this is in the luxury market, he decided to renovate it and go through the 5-month process.
The outcome is spectacular. Why don't you show me what the scope is?
Okay, so on this main floor, we refinished all the hardwoods and added hardwoods in rooms that had carpet. This was the last room we did, and it was a neutral color paint, but I wanted a pop of color, so we just put some navy blue in there since we're in Annapolis. And it's an Annapolitan room.
Okay, so what do we do here?
On here, they updated the fireplace, all new light fixtures throughout the house. This was carpet, they put hardwood, all new windows in the entire house, all Pella windows, and bright paint. Now we're at the deck that we've added. It's a 20 by 20 deck, and with maintenance-free finishes, which overlooks this gorgeous oasis of a backyard. Frame House actually helped me get the backyard fixed as well. They put the pavers and all that in. So the focal point of this house is the kitchen. Frame House updated the counters with quartz countertops. The 42-inch cabinets, they painted professionally. They have all new brushed gold hardware, brand new backsplash, gorgeous black and brushed gold light fixtures, the pendants, and the one in the dining area. And 100% of all the windows were replaced with Pella windows.
This is a beautiful space.
We're in the primary suite now. We wanted to showcase the fireplace, and then we added new paint, just bright paint, new windows, and new carpet.
I know, this is such a grand space.
So we're in the primary
Bathroom, and this is a space that we completely gutted. What did we do to rebuild it?
They all the way to the studs, replaced all the vanities, replaced the tub with a freestanding tub, new tile, new windows, new light fixtures. Everything was gutted and finished.
So we had a really excellent experience collaborating with you, all the way down to the wire, to the end, where you actually handled a lot of the staging. Tell me why in a property, a luxury property like this, it's so important to stage.
People just can't imagine the size of the rooms unless there's furniture in it. And so they can envision themselves living in the room. Staging is very important, especially in the luxury market.
All right, so Linda, we are in the lower level of the house now, and this, what I remember, was nothing. It was completely empty, not framed out. So tell me what we did down here.
We decluttered, and they added another 1,200 square feet of space, and it's a walkout, so that was also important because of the pool. Added a bedroom and a full bathroom, which brings a lot of value to the property.